The wind picks up, a whisper turns loud, the sky grows dark, a heavy shroud, a distant rumble, the first bright flash. Betka readies for the storm to crash. Thunder crashes, a jolt, a roar, lightning flashes, brighter than before. The sky ignites, the world is stunned, a fleeting brilliance, brighter than the sun. Oh, the storm shakes the air, the river runs warm, rain falls heavy in the heart of the storm. Betka holds me wild and free, a tempest grip, and I let it be. Rain falls in drops, soft and warm, the river steams, alive in the storm. Waves crash harder, the winds reply, Betka dances under a fiery sky. Oh, the storm shakes the air, the river runs warm, rain falls heavy in the heart of the storm. And Betka holds me wild and free, a tempest grip, and I let it be. Each flash, each crack, the earth feels alive. The storm commands, and we survive. The warm rain falls, a soothing balm. In Betkas Tempest, I find my calm. Oh, the storm shakes the air, the river runs warm, rain falls heavy in the heart of the storm. And Betka holds me wild and free, a tempest grip, and I let it be. The sky roars loud, then quiets its song. The storm begins to move along. Betka shimmers, her sands renew, a wild storm's gift, a calmer mood. The storm moves on, its power wanes, clouds break apart, no more rain. Betka stillness